everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have an unboxing of the BoxyCharm Luxe. This box comes every 3 months. It costs $50 and it's supposed to be worth more than $350. This is the box. It's a little bit heavy, so let's open it up and see what is inside. First product is this guy that it looks like a book. Wow, this is so cool. And this is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetic, and this is an eyeshadow palette, guys. Look at this. Tell me this is not the most beautiful little guy you ever have seen in your entire life. It's a book. It's so cool. And this guy right here is retail for $55. So I'm not gonna be touching it because I'm gonna be adding it to a future giveaway. The next product is this one by the brand LMS. This little guy right here, a facial oil. This is a rose facial oil, and that little guy is $79. I'm gonna give it a try as soon as I finish with the regimen that I'm doing right now. Next product is this little highlighter by the brand Seattle London. This is super beautiful. It's super beautiful. This is retail for $32. And I also gonna be saving it for a future giveaway. The next product is this one by the brand Fresh. This is a soy face cleanser. This cleanser is retail for $48, and this is the cleanser that I'm being using right now. So how you knew, BoxyCharm? How you knew? This cleanser is so nice, guys. I'm telling you, one of the products that I've been using in my new regimen. Well, it's not new. I've been using this regimen for at least 55 days. So I have a couple of more days before I have my 60-day mark. This is one of the products that I'm like, wow. I highly recommend this. I already given you a little bit of the information that I'm going to be giving in that video that is coming up. I'm gonna be letting you know what I think about this brand and the products that I use from them. And this is nice. This is very nice. The next product is this little guy right here by the brand Daily Concepts. I already used this towel, so I'm gonna be saving this one when my towels, I have 2 of them, when my towels start looking a little ugly and rough. I'm gonna be using this one in the future when I need a new one. That thing is really nice to put it on while your hair dries a little bit and you're doing your makeup and everything, because when you put a big towel on your head, those towels are too rough for your hair and also too heavy for your neck. So these towels are very nice. This is retail for $18. And this is the next product. This is by the brand In Beauty. This is a setting mist. It says that it does a lot of things. This is the Power Up Dual Face Setting Mist. It helps to set up the makeup, energize, and revive the skin. It helps with dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. This sounds very promising. And it's worth $32. It is made in USA and it's cruelty free. So I'm very excited to start using this little guy right here. Sounds very promising. My skin is always tired. Next product is this little guy right here by the brand M Green Grass. This is a fast absorbing dry oil spray. It's formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisturizing, leaving skin soft, luxurious without feeling greasy. I'm definitely gonna let you know what I think about this product. I really like these concepts, things that I can use for my hair, for my body, and face. I can use it on my face too, so I definitely gonna be trying this, let you know what I think about it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because I most likely will give you an update of this product on my stories. And this is retail for $36. I'm very excited to give a try to this product. And the next product is this one by the brand Too Faced. And this is the Rich Dousing Lip Gloss. Wow, this is pretty. Look at this component. This is super pretty. I really like how it looks like. I like the packaging, it's so beautiful. It has like a gold shift to it, super pretty. This is retail for $21. And last but not least, we have this little guy right here by the brand Cosmetics. And this is a facial roller. Oh my god, I've been wanting to get one of these since forever. This is so nice. This guy right here is retail for $69. So cool, I'm so happy. This is so cool. Hey. This product helps to minimize the fine lines and help to uplift the face. So this will help you to make the skin tight and beautiful. This is so cool. I was thinking about getting one of these guys, so now I have it here. Let's now see how much is my box worth. We have the Storybook that is $55. We have the LMS oil that is $79. We have the Seattle London highlighter that is $32. We have the Fresh Soil face cleanser that is $48. We have the hair towel that is $18. We have the setting mist that is $32. We have this oil, face and hair and body oil that is $36. We have the Too Faced lip gloss that is $21, and the face roller that is $69, for a total of $390. I always knew they will deliver, so I'm very happy to see that they actually deliver even better. All of these products are super cute, super nice. I can see myself using all of them. Like, I truly love all the products of this box. I have no complaints whatsoever. Everything looks nice, well priced, products that are very, very good, and the ones that I don't know, I am actually excited to try them. BoxyCharm is doing something really good. Definitely every box that I'm being opening lately are very, very good, and they're just getting better and better and better. Whoever is making these decisions, congratulations, because you're doing very, very well. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you like it. Please consider subscribe to my channel. I love to make high-end makeup beauty videos and a little bit of fashion. Also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Maybe a comment down below what of these products you like the best. If you receive BoxyCharm, which products you received that were completely different to mine, or which products that I received you will hope that you had received. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!